Hi pilots, Eddie here from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to unbox the Avios Super Tucano that I ordered the last week from Hobby King. Let's open. The box is a little thick, and the top of the box there is a horizontal tail wing and the vertical tail wing, setting manual for the flaps and aileron and the center of gravity, the 70 to 80 millimeters from the leading edge. It seems to be spinner sets, the 5 blade and the right. And you have to take out these styrofoams from the box like this, so you can easily take out the main wing. So this is left wings, the blades maybe, and some of the other parts here, and sticker. Yes, braid and accessories for the airplane, the antenna, braids, and the others. This metal one seems to be a wing pipe, and also you have to take it out this strap. The front side fuselage. There is the nose steering wheel cover here and the rear parts of the fuselage. Okay, and some cable and LED lights, connector. That's all. I spread out all parts, the Avios Super Tucano on the table. Let's check again the parts. This is the front fuselage and the rear fuselage. The wingspan is 1,600 millimeters, meaning the 63-inch, and the total length of the fuselage is 1,670 millimeters, the 64-inch. Horizon tailwing here. There is one. It was connected from the out of the factory with the plastic. This is a vertical tailwing and the flag, the Philippines Air maybe, and some parts here. This is the maybe this is some tape and plastic parts, the antenna and some miscellaneous, and the wing fixed part, the bolts here, and the 5 blades propellers. This is very heavy, and right main here and left main. Let's see the bottom part of the wings. There are 2 servos here. This is for flaps and the ailerons and retractor system and the retract cover. The LED lights here, and I saw the another green rice, but there is no wrapped rice. Anyway, that's all, and we buy the bondage for the assembled fuselage. This is the unboxing video for the Avios Super Tucano from the Hobby King, and the next time I will show you the assembly. Thanks for watching.